Hi everyone, you're welcome to Mary's Lifestyle TV. My name is Mary. Today's tutorial is going to be on recycle from trash to treasure, using my old jumper to turn it into a lovely jumper. If you are new into my channel, please kindly subscribe, like and share. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by once again. And let's keep sewing and let's keep recycling. So what I'm going to be doing with this jumper is to reduce the bottom length of the jumper, and also I'm going to be reducing the sleeve as well, and I'm going to add elastic to the waist and also to the sleeve. So I'm going to be using 1/2 inch elastic to finish this jumper. Don't mind me here, I'm just trying to be silly. I'm just trying to be silly here. To recycle this jumper into what I'm about to make takes me, or will take you, maximum 15 minutes, between 10 to 15 minutes to get exactly what I'm doing. So let me explain exactly what happened here. The camera was actually on when I started the tutorial, but I realized that it turned off in between the tutorial, so I had to redo it, putting the fabric together. So when you're trying to do this, you have to keep watching. So the length is 26 and I'm going to be cutting off 5 inches, leaving 2 inches black to the jumper because I want it to show a little bit. Same thing, I'm going to be cutting. The total black on the sleeve is about 5 inches, so I'm going to be cutting 3 inches out and leaving the 2 inches black to show. I have here with me elastic, 2 different sizes of elastic. So the white one is a 1/4 inch of elastic, and then I have 1/2 inch black elastic. So I'm going to be using either of the two and I'm going to explain. So I'm going to start with the sleeve, and when I use the white to sew the sleeve, but I realized it was too slim and I had to change it. Also, I want to emphasize here that when you're sewing elastic on a woolly fabric or on a stretchy fabric or a fabric such as jumper, try to use a zigzag stitch. Do not use straight line. If you use straight line, it's not gonna work. It's going to make it look so stretchy. So that was exactly what happened to me here. I had to take it off again and resew, and sewing and taking off could be so stressful and time consuming. So to avoid that, please, I strongly advise you use zigzag stitch. So when you're sewing, you have to be pulling the elastic. Keep pulling the elastic. I forgot to show the zigzag stitch on my machine. Next time when I'm sewing, I'm going to show you. This didn't look right, but for the fact that I want you to know that we also make mistakes, that's why I had to leave that for you to see. So I'm going to be, I later changed elastic to use the 1/2 inch black elastic. So I'm going to be sewing and pulling as if I'm working with gathers. So I'm going to be sewing and pulling, stretching the elastic and pulling, stretch and pull like gathers. And I'm using zigzag stitch. So I promise next time I will show you on the machine how the zigzag stitch looks like. So this is exactly what I want, and it's looking really good there. So guys, I'm going to be leaving you to just watch, and I'll be explaining when I need to. Thank you so much. I just hit 500 subscribers. It's because you've been watching, sharing, liking, and subscribing. So please keep watching and subscribe. Thank you so much for the privilege, because it's a privilege, I know. So please, thank you, and let's keep going. I want to get to 1,000 by ending of this month, and I trust you guys, you're going to do it for me. Thank you so much. Let's keep going. So guys, as you can see, I'm almost done sewing the bottom part. So I'm going to cut off the elastic, and then I'm going to redo this particular sleeve because it didn't look right at all. So I'm going to use the black elastic, as you can see, because I was using straight line, so it didn't work at all. So at least you've seen it now. Next time when you're working on your own project, you will do the right thing instead of doing it the second time. And as you can see, the fabric is very stretchy there. All right guys, I'm done sewing, and it's looking really lovely. This is what you get on the high streets. After sales, they recycle it and bring it back to sell. The only thing is that they don't wear it, but after the end of sales, they have to recycle it and resell it again, like what I just did. So please remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share. It will go a long way to grow my channel for me, and I appreciate your support. So I'm supposed to be overlocking it, but my overlocker can't overlock this. So I'm going to be using black bias to hem it, to stop pulling, because it's pulling and it's messing up the whole floor. So I'm going to be using bias to hem it when I'm done here. So I'm going to be using this bottom, which I cut out, as the neck scarf. It's going to look gorgeous. I love it. I'm so happy when I create something new as this. This is gorgeous. This is awesome. I love it. Elele. Excellent. So that's the neck scarf there that I'm using on the neck. So that's why I was telling you, don't throw away the bottom. You can see now with the elastic, I'm pulling it down, and I pull it up again, and it fits on me, snug on my waist. That's it. Looks nice. I love it. Please subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, like and share, comment, and invite people to come and watch this amazing channel. So you can see the way I just knot where the neck scarf. You wouldn't believe it if I don't tell you this is a recycled jumper. You wouldn't know. This is from Mary's Lifestyle TV, MLT. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If the tutorial has been very useful to you and you like it, you want to see more, please kindly subscribe, like, and share. And thank you so much for watching. And take care of yourself. See you some other time. God bless you. Bye.